What's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial. We're gonna operate MetaMask on the web browser, but everything else applies to everybody, so just hear me out, right? So once you download the extension on your web browser, we're gonna agree to these terms that we never read ever in our life, and we're gonna click create a wallet. So they're pretty much saying that we never collect your email address, we never sell your data, they do collect your IP address now. They definitely do that, I believe. I'm not gonna say they're lying, but they might be. But let's agree. Right now, we're gonna create a password. I'm gonna put in a password real quick, real easy password. All right, cool. Goddamn, passwords aren't matching. All right, so we're gonna. Yo, fuck it. We're just gonna use this random ass password. You guys have to create your own password. This is just for the terms of this video. We're gonna click create a wallet. Watch this video. We're not gonna watch the video. And now we're gonna get a seed phrase, a secret phrase. So this phrase right here is gonna be your recovery password, because it's not your keys, not your crypto, right? So if you're using those exchanges, you want to send your money over to your MetaMask, your decentralized wallet, so you can own your cryptocurrency, right? So we're going to reveal these words, and what you want to do is you want to write down these words in a notebook or a piece of paper or somewhere. Put it somewhere safe where you're never going to lose it. Right, because these are the words that you need to get back into your wallet. You do not have these words, you're never getting back into your wallet. So say goodbye to your money, say goodbye to your NFTs. We're going to complete this part, right? Like I said before, everyone, this is just for the purpose of this video. Do not do this. Do not take screenshots of your seed phrase. Do not do that. It's not a good practice to have. All right, so we're going to complete this. Now, boom, everything has been created, right? Cool. So now we got the wallet and we're in there. So first thing we see right here, we have no money in here. This button right here, this is your wallet address, your Ethereum wallet address, right? You can buy right here, you can receive right here. You click on Ethereum, you can import tokens. If you know how to import tokens, you do that. Copy the contract address, paste it in there. You could send a cryptocurrency by clicking this send button. You can swap. I don't recommend using the swap button, but people use this swap. You could also bridge. Bridging is pretty much sending your Ethereum coin, and we're gonna make it Polygon. Like, these are two different blockchain networks, right? By clicking right here, we could change the network. So depending on what network you want to use is what you're gonna add right here. So we're gonna go back to the Ethereum network. Click this three buttons right here. Now you're gonna get account details. You get to view your transaction on the Explorer. You get to see what websites you're connected to. We're gonna click account details. This private key right here, never give out this private key. It's another way how people can log in. So you might want to write down this private key as well. So remember, you're gonna click these three dots, click account details, and click show private key. So we're gonna show this private key, right? Never show this to people. This is how the private key works. I'm gonna dispose of this wallet, so don't think you're gonna hack me, right? Connected websites. There's no websites connected to this wallet. So right here, if you click right here, we can see what NFTs that we got in the wallet, and if we click right here, we can see the wallet transactions, right? So there's nice little things that you can do on the MetaMask that we got here. We could change up how we want our thing to look. We could change what currency we want to show. Do we want to show fiat balance? Do we just want to see the Ethereum balance? And if we go right here to security and click right here, we can reveal the recovery password. So I'm probably gonna do another video on that later on in life, but yeah, that's just another way to get your recovery password. So we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna click these three dots, we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go to privacy and security, and then boom, our seed phrase pops up right there. All right, so cool little things that we got going on here. You could also have add contacts. So instead of copy and pasting all those random numbers and stuff, we're gonna, you know what I mean, you just throw it up in there, and then there you go. Now you have Bob logged in to your MetaMask. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Don't give out your seed phrase to people. Don't tell nobody your secret codes or anything that you got. Make sure you write your MetaMask code, seed phrase, your 12 words, even your logins, all your login information on a piece of paper somewhere secure. Do not share it out with anybody. No one needs to know your MetaMask seed phrase. Even the security people that work for MetaMask do not need it. Matter of fact, MetaMask support's not even there to help you. So make sure you take control of everything and stay safe. Thank you all for watching.